Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Slack QR code. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open Slack on your computer using either the desktop app or the web version, and make sure you're signed into your workspace. Next, look at the top left corner of Slack and click on your workspace name. This will open the main workspace menu. From the menu, select Sign in on mobile. In some versions of Slack, you may see Get the mobile app instead. Either option will open a QR code on your computer screen. Now pick up your phone. If you already have the Slack app installed, open it and follow the option to sign in with a QR code. If that option doesn't appear, you can simply use your phone's default camera app to scan the QR code displayed on your computer. If you don't have the Slack app installed yet, scan the QR code or follow the Get the mobile app option to install Slack first. Once your phone scans the QR code, confirm the sign-in if prompted. Your Slack account will automatically be added to the mobile app without needing to type your email address or password. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get Slack QR code. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.